One of the most talked about sector in AI build out now is connectivity, the optical or the photonic or even the copper connectivity between the chips, between the data center, between the racks, even 500 kilometers away between two separate buildings altogether. One of the companies that gets talked about a lot is Marvell Technologies. What does Marvell does? And is it worth buying? Let's see evidences of share price movement first. There are three data points that I got recently. One, Jensen Huang got on the stage of Computex just a few weeks back in Taiwan and said it is the next $1 trillion company. So I instantly checked what is the current value. The current value even now after the run up is approximately 240 billion. So that is 4 times from here. And Jensen said next $1 trillion company. He could be joking. I don't know. So that is one evidence that the company will become 4 times in share price. In the same talk later, Matt, the CEO, says that they'll grow at 40% top line for several years. And I don't see a margin squeeze happening. Connectivity is important and somewhat in shortage. So even the bottom line should grow at similar rate. The third evidence I got was one of the vendors, ASC, comes at the last of the talk and says that, so Matt, you told me you'll grow at 40% for next few years, but I think you'll grow much faster. And ASC CEO also said that we like to work with people who give us guidance of several years because we have to do capital expenditure because we are into manufacturing. So what I understood from ASC CEO is that it can grow faster than 40% as well. All this tells me that the company can grow at 30 to 40% for next 3-4 years, and if that happens it will hit the trillion. It is not if I'll be buying the company, but it is when I'll be buying the company. And the when problem comes from here that even right now the company is expensive. The price by earning is over 90. I don't like it. I get scared. So I might wait for the company to cool off a bit. This is not an investment advice. Do your research, figure it out yourself. This is my opinion. So what does the company do? The company is primarily focused on two business. One is their connectivity business. The other is their custom ASIC. Connectivity business is where they are trying to move data from point A to point B. And this point A, point B can be from nanometers to 500 kilometers. And depending on how big is this distance, they have different products that fit in. So the company is really focused on moving data at the fastest speed. And the whole thesis is that AI clusters are getting bigger and bigger. They are like 100,000, 10,000 GPUs in one data center. And so many GPUs now together working on the same problem. Data is moving a lot between the data centers or within the data center or within the rack, even within the package where things get to nanomillimeter. Distribution is that they have approximately custom ASIC business, which is growing very fast, and mostly 80% of the business is connectivity business. And they feel that it is the bottleneck. I don't think it's a bottleneck, but it's a rate limiting factor. All said and done, Jensen says it's the next $1 trillion company, and I'll give it to him. He understands the AI build out way better than me. This is Jensen's and my opinion. Do your own research.